no na che se Brandon Champion sa o say Baumia na ma ye lose ya so fertilizer sika no ewe he. You see, and this is what I'm saying, say mo MPP 2028 no mo be lose poto de mo ye mo wi.
Minia mame na wase na mema wakwa aba. Nyankopon yita se o hwe me. Mepese me ne wo edi nkomo kakra ntinya botre na tie asem a me ba bekan. Question na mepese me bisa sisi yi ene se NPP national leaders no enti omo ewo ho pa. Because the ekoso o party no mu no enye. Omu se omo anu mukohia e na omo kan se 31st of January 2026 omo pese omo eko omo primaries no na omo koyi omo kandini. What was the reason behind that decision? Nientia emo omo take that decision no ene say internal politics there we den ya ntokwa ebetumi abam ye yina ye te ase enti se omo koye sa elections no ewie na sentokwa bi anase akasakasa bi ewo omo ntamu a na omo tumi asiesie the person obenwin no obenya a lot of time to make some corrections nkofo ase de abufuo bi ewo mu no ombenya kwan na omo ne omo akasa se ne ebe ya omo bo ebeto omo yam na yendu 2028 no na chese motumi anya enough time asolve issues a ewo party no emo. That was the main reason why omo yomadu se next year omo be kwakoye sa elections no. But you na yebeti ase say internal politics de edunwe bi a unya ne smooth. But ntokwa na ekoso wo NPP mu sese ye ne de ebro adwen ene ntiase so om sese ya no akokoduru se omo ankasa san so ka omo asem e de abegu internet yi eso mistakes bi ebinum eyeye Brandon Champion no sori a na wo tubi e de amane Baumia camp so na omo tubi e de amane Brandon Champion Kennedy Japan camp entimi we nyina evia aba no so me denya nipa baako e na obewini. And decided pan we need area. How are you going to be together? No more to me are fighting NDC in 2028. Oh, say you will Musadankwa or Bekan Simbi. Sisi and Babia NDC or more Edrum. Excuse me, and you Musadankwa a Martin Pegu or no cancer assembly. Was it the goodwill NDC or more Siciano? So much me or homework ye. Nasa omo premises ntokwa NCC bebre. Nasa much me a yin pa baako. Na omuye united NPP will never go near them during the 2028 elections. And no so because we share margin his excellency John Dramani Mahama or the twin Baumia na emu ewa. Look at the number of parliamentarians omo ewo. And the answer na bebre nukura ebelusu na motumi e de atwe omo no mo bebre. And se ya no anka de mu hia unity. Mo ye politics na sebe why years owo a wo kan krofo beti na omo atu aba no de ama won. I don't know what's with that. But attacks no edoson. It's medie ubisame I am speaking as a Ghanaian. Men so me observe the air koso no. Sen PP ebe koso aye say there and they should forget about 2028. It's not possible. It is never possible. Me mama kasa enye tintin. Vim lady afiapoku obabedi nkomo bi e de afa Brandon Champion ene Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Eho me pese me ne wo ekokọ hwese video no. Na nkrofo binum kan se Brandon Champion ansa na yebeto 2024 abano some fertilizer bi na was say o deliver e ma nkrofo bi no when deliver sa fertilizer no na me no so e ma NPP elusu vote bebre but ene okogina ba bia na o kan se Dr. Baumia nti ene ma NPP elusu ye Brandon Champion so de anu yiye aba se nkrofo no mo kan sa asem no se ono na when deliver fertilizer nti a ama NPP elusu ye no ono so wodi anu yie aba nti yenko tie de Vim lady waka ene de Brandon Champion so waka basi yekoba yebetoa so e de afiri ho meda wase na ansa na yebehwe video no nya subscribe ya mesew sa wodi ebeka ho like video we so fama mense ne yebe ya bibibiala ebe ye kama yehwe video no emra yekoba yebetoa so e de afiri ho meda wase nyankopon hira.
You see, also I just here no, until enko baby Baumia de wabro. And everybody's going after Baumia. You see, and that's what Brandon Champion is doing. I think that sometimes it's being unfair because we come back on Omoko Eastern region, no. Or come back because Baumia for Capramba Eastern region, no tria. Granted, he could have said it without mentioning Baumia's name. And we was some class or come back on, no, I was going to work on 3 times. I think the job at Baumia is too much. Focus on your campaign, brah. Focus on your campaign. Job no AI too much, I think. you can still get the headlines, the attention that you need without necessarily going after Bawumia. Because you see, now Bawumia was with that. Now they're also coming after Brian Champo. Say 2004, one of the reasons why Muluzi and they say, yeah, this can't cut off fertilizers. You're so on chairman for one take. Into the questions, where is the money? Into the can Brian Champo partner so no okaso yes kenina na. Who they take Gideon Boakon?
Yawa enya wo deno. And show my fanya day. Enya wunia ya ko election. Ena ya lusuo. Yen nyina ya ko ya. Ena yen nyina de ya lusuo. Afedi ya tretre ya sa Bawumia so. Ebisi Bawumia na ma ye lusu ye. Ebisi Bawumia ye say. Ebisi Bawumia ye sa. Nanso ya MPP for. Yenim de tie lusu election no. Yenim de tie ni pabubu fu ya omanya den. Oman koto aba. See about obi a fertilizer a higher and yes sir. Now obi a ya kwa koto aba. Na fertilizers egu ho. Na ya for fertilizers na ma ade abechi am ya to aba and ya say the fertilizer aba. Ye cha ye. Ye cha ye. Na sabe fertilizer na ama no. Bawumia no ya Greek minister. No ya Greek minister. Enti ade ntena ye beka sa Bawumia na ma ye lusu election no.
Enti Gideon Boakon so job body ama Brian Champo no. Na che se Brian Champo sa o say Bawumia na ma ye lose and so fertilizers cano ewe hen. You see, and this is what I'm saying. Someone here more MPP 2028 no. Mu be lose poto. Dia mo ye mu wi. One am really secret to know. The na che se Brian Champo and ya so ma to ni din ko ya se friend say ekwawu ilo mat. Mo job kwawu ilo mat. And you have a man jump on the Coelho Max. So scared. Oh, Lord have mercy. Coelho Max. Oh, Allah.
I have heard 3 propaganda against me. 2 that they are pushing in, or 3 of them they are pushing on in the Upper West region. That I didn't bring fertilizer to Upper West, and therefore we lost the election. But if it is fertilizer that we're going to win the election, then all we have to do is to just buy fertilizer 6 months to election and distribute. Nobody can tell me that we won 2016 because of fertilizer, we won 2020 because of fertilizer. But that even aside, everything that was supposed to come, there are 2 people that were giving fertilizer. Local Ministry of Local Government, Natoshi, was bringing fertilizer to the assembly. The dry spell fertilizer for Upper West, every single one of them came to Upper West. Every single one of them came. Every single one of them came. When the fertilizer gets to Upper West, I am not responsible for its distribution. Once you pick it from the supplier brings it to Upper West, the person responsible is the parliamentary candidate and the DCE. Look, the night before, the day of voting, because they wanted to smuggle it. Because they wanted to smuggle the fertilizer. The fertilizer was not sitting with me in my warehouse here in Accra. It was not sitting with me. And the number of bags of fertilizers we brought to the Upper West region, nobody in any year has bringing that quantity of fertilizer for the dry spell. Nobody. It was sitting with you. And then you say that you can't share it. I don't understand. Fertilizer, the day of voting. Even if it came the morning of the voting, yet it came months before the election. We have everybody, if I come to I'll come to everybody's constituency. And I will show when the parliamentary candidates received their fertilizer. We have the data. We have the data. But I'm saying that if it didn't come, it's one matter. But you all saw the fertilizer in Upper West. Is that not the case? If that is the fertilizer, when the NDC came, in every constituency, they went and locked it up and took over. Why did you not share it? It is not me. It was with you.
yakɔhwɛ video no aba na wotie asɛm na Vim Lady all kana sisi ya no akoye se nkofo a omo Kennedy ohene Japan camp omo fight Bawumia ena Brian Champo camp nso omo fight Bawumia enti ade enti na omo nyina fight Bawumia the performance of that 2024 elections no mu enu enti na ma omo saa na se omo nu se party no ebi mu okasa se party leadership no omo support Bawumia enu enti na ma attack bibribi ko Bawumia so nana Minia, the comment section is there for you. Wadwenchele ene senchele wadwen na bibibiala enye kama. Ba ye de yebeka ene se yebesele wo mo. Omo nwen oman Ghana ho kane. Because se mo ye internal politics na se mo ye sei ya. Ye de Ghana ehye mo nsem a how are you going to manage this country? Mo am nsem mo sisi ya mo ka mo boni ya modi ai hyehyehye sumase ene mo ankasa sisi ya no. Mo da nedi ama obibiala atibia na se obibiala ahumbi. Na sisi ya se mo kan se mo yi na ewie na se mo yi nipa ba ko so wonye kandini e wo party no emu a afie na mo ba be pepa nsemboni a mo kan ye de fa sa nipa no ho ana say you are not even going to support any person party leadership no e be chusu na na ya besre all of you to cease fire but se mo ntumi cease fire na se party leadership no national leadership no say o mo ntumi ankasa de ekoso no de 2028 they've already lost it. It's not possible because untimi podipa ba ko enwene elections we ema no enye yie ndi se ba Bawumia wene na se kan na supporto Brian Champo na supporto a yekoya na ye bai ena kan so wene na se Bawumia supporto Brian Champo na supporto a Brian Champo so wene na se Bawumia supporto kan na supporto a are you sure that they are going to win power? Yes, by end ye supporto NDC supporto NPP ye kire ya dwen say Ghana for send ye be ya Ghana betumponti ene dumbe bi na ma ye so ye kire ya dwen e wo internet yi so intiminu de ekoso e wo NPP fo akachi eno no na de ekoso se wo ye NPP ni amegidi se oyure ebehu yie pa because se wo ma me no papa ekun e wo fie na se wo fie ho bia na unhu de wo nye wo ho because o ko kan bi ama we ya we be kan se wo mpem asem di na be de se obe keep mute na de obetimi aye e de aboa na omoja ntokwa no sa kwan no e na obetimi afaso menua mame na wase na memfa wo ensi ha na ansa na ye be kono mestre wonya subscribe ya fa wo de ka ho na bibibiala enye kama like video we so fa mame de ansem biala maka no video na wahwe no wo adwenkyere bia nso a ko comment section ho na kire wadwen na bibibiala enye kama me do onyankopon so do hwe ho so yie me ne wo ebesie bim sisi e ni makra bye bye.